I was in the grocery store yesterday and I saw this amazing mom with two children. She had one toddler in the carriage, and then she had about a 4-year-old, 4.5, who was walking around and helping her get things. And she was so engaged with the children. She was like, oh, wait, which carrot should we get? Which one is more expensive? And this child could read numbers. And so they started looking at, this one was $4.49 versus $4.99. And the child was like, we should get the $4.49 one. Just a simple way like that to engage the child. And when you're shopping, just makes a huge difference. And they had this happy time at the grocery store because they were both engaged. It's hard sometimes for us to find the capacity because we're stressed out. But if we pause and just take it as like almost a sacred moment when we have these opportunities to just have daily life with our children, it can make all the difference for our stress level and for our children.